Everyone loves a barbecue, but it's not just for meat lovers in the summer. We have created 3 vegan barbecue recipes that can be enjoyed by everyone all year round. If using coals on your barbecue, light them ahead of cooking and allow them to burn until white and smouldering. For this recipe, we mix maple with miso for depth of flavour and to sweeten the miso. The sweet and salty combination works really well on all barbecued vegetables. You can also add fresh chilli to the mix for a kick of heat. We use maple vinegar in this recipe. It has a fantastic sweet and sour flavour, but if you can't find maple vinegar, balsamic or red wine vinegar would work well in this marinade too. Pure maple syrup is great to use with barbecues. It's a fantastic marinade. It caramelizes on the barbecue and coats food to stop it drying out. Maple syrup also acts as a flavour enhancer and works well with salt and spices, and it's vegan. Serve the mushrooms on toasted flatbreads with fresh salad, parsley and pickled cabbage. Toasting nuts releases their oils and enhances the flavour. This recipe is great in the winter too, and will work well with any soft fruit. We've used bourbon in this recipe, but if you don't have any to hand, dark rum is a great alternative. By using a griddle pan on a barbecue, this allows you to keep the fruit's natural juices to create a sauce with the maple and bourbon. Finish the dish with chopped nuts and mint for a refreshing barbecue dessert. Vegan barbecue can be so much more. Check out our website, maplefromcanada.co.uk, for more recipes and inspiration.